When I put a vineyard, a new vineyard, I've installed a lot of vineyards, but when I put a vineyard, I'm looking for two things. I'm looking for quality, and I'm looking for how I can save, how it can be cheaper to do it. And one thing that I find out over the years is that using the JR clips, because JR clips on the end it give you the same quality of the other materials, but it's a lot cheaper, it's easier and faster to install, and then on the end you get the same quality.
Vineyard Industry Products is pleased to introduce our patented JR clip, created as a high-efficiency, low-cost option to the conventional crossarm. Designed to fit all size T-posts for vertical trellising systems, this clip was engineered to save time and money on both materials and labor, and literally installs in seconds. Available in 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch widths to fit both heavy and light T-posts. The JR clips work exceptionally well with all grape varieties, even the most vigorous canopies, and can be installed facing up or down to compensate for varying hillside topographies. Let's see how quick and easy it is to install it. Face the T-post with studs to the right. Place the longest straight section of the JR clip onto the stud side of the T-post. Place the hook side of the JR retainer into the right side of the JR clip, then the longest leg into the left side of the clip. Grasp the long leg of the JR retainer with a 3/16 inch nut driver and move upward to secure. The installed clip holds movable wires to support foliage above fruit.
The JR clips are really easy to put in. They're very cost effective when you compare them to the other alternatives that we have in the vineyard. The other thing I like about them is putting the wire into the little notch here is really simple for the crew to do. It stays put when you put it in, and it really is easy to put in and take out at the end of the season when we're done with it. The other thing that I really like about the JR clips is that we've been using them for over 10 years now, and they really hold up to kind of people abuse. Our guys sometimes can be hard on them, as well as tractors and other implements, and when that happens, you just kind of bend them back into shape. Where some of the other alternatives that we have for use on T-posts like these are that they tend to break or bend and not be able to be put back together. So we have some flexibility. I guess the last thing I like about them is in hilly terrain, you can actually turn them upside down. So you can keep the wires where you need them to be, and they fit very well into that kind of a hillside situation as well.
This is a clip from VIP's personal stash that these guys have designed and developed, and we are using this here. When we originally designed a vineyard, we try and keep the spur positions tight, so we have a 4-inch clip here which works really good on shoot positioning at the very beginning. As the vineyard expands and grows as it has now, we move into the wider clip over here, and this contains the canes but doesn't consolidate the canes into a tight grouping where we can get in and uniformly thin out and or keep more exposure to light and air, and also spray chemicals as well. So the good thing about these clips is, one, they're affordable, 2, they're very easy to install, and 3, they're very safe here, especially if you're using your hands within the harvested area or with the machinery. So if bow rods hit this, they deflect, and we don't wear any bow rods or break any equipment. So this is a great clip to have. They come in 4, 6, and 8-inch. And we started with a 4 on a smaller post, a 0.95, and then we have the 125 stake here with the 8-inch clip, and very versatile. A great clip to have in the arsenal.